Students of academics and competitive exams of English, in this English version lecture, lecture number 2, we are going to learn how to translate the sentences in Hindi which are based on noun or noun phrase in apposition into English. Students, before we translate any single sentence, let's understand what are these four technical terms. What is translation, what is noun phrase, and the last one, what is apposition. Now let's begin with translation. You know very well, when we change one language into another, that is called translation. And now let's understand what's noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing or animal. You know very well. Now the main thing is what is phrase. Phrase actually is a group of words that has no verb and it has incomplete sense. And when all the group of these words act like a noun, it is called noun phrase. And we are going to use this noun phrase in our exercise. That is our main part of this exercise. And one more thing is there, how we are going to use this phrase. We are going to use this phrase in apposition. Apposition, what is apposition? Let's understand. Matching or suitability at the act of positioning close together means whenever we have one noun or pronoun and we add the another noun or pronoun which has the similarity is called written in apposition. Let's see what is written here in red color. Grammatical relation between a word, noun or pronoun, and another noun or pronoun or noun phrase is called apposition. Suppose I say Mohit, the son of my principal. Here the son of my principal is in noun phrase in apposition of Mohit or Rohit, whoever. Let's begin to understand this exercise with example. Example number 1. श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी प्रथम महिला प्रधानमंत्री थीं, वह जवाहरलाल नेहरू की बेटी थीं. This expression is given in two different sentences, but students, if we translate these small sentences, it doesn't have any good impression on the reader. We should learn how to combine long sentences based on various rules. Now our rule is by using noun or noun phrase in apposition. Now let's understand how we are going to use this rule. Now Mrs. Indira Gandhi and the first women prime minister are the same term. That's why we use this by writing close to each other. Mrs. Indira Gandhi is the head word and the first woman prime minister is the phrase in apposition, and I put both these two expressions closely. Was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. In this way I wrote these two small sentences into one. Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the first woman prime minister, was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's come to the example number 2 that is written in various expressions. बनारस हिंदुओं का नगर है बनारस मंदिरों का नगर है जो गंगा नदी के तट पर स्थित है. गंगा पवित्र हिंदुओं की पवित्र नदी है. Now we will write all these sentences into one. In this way our sentence will be impressive and based on good syntax and good rules. Now let's see. Banaras is the head word and the city of temples are the same expression expressing Banaras. That's why I put these two expressions together, and this togetherness is called apposition, and this apposition is in noun phrase. That's why Banaras, the city of temples, stands on the banks of the Ganges. Ganges is also given in apposition. The sacred river of the Hindus. Now उत्तर प्रदेश की राजधानी लखनऊ और पंजाब की राजधानी चंडीगढ़ स्वच्छता के लिए प्रसिद्ध है. Now the translation of this sentence I am going to write here. This sentence is actual sentence and long sentence already. The capital of UP, Lucknow. Lucknow is in case in apposition, and the capital of the Punjab, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is in case in apposition, are famous for cleanliness. Students, before I finish this, I would like to let you know one thing. I have used the before Punjab. The is used before Punjab, especially it's an exception. So please don't get it wrong. Students, I hope you have understood well this lecture, and if you have understood, definitely you please subscribe my channel RSC Classes of English Language, and please share and comment my channel RSC Classes of English Language. Thanks.